Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting on the watch. Open Photos and pick the photo you want to send. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on both devices, and AirDrop visibility is contacts only or everyone. Keep the iPhone unlocked and nearby. Proximity matters for pairing. Once you've selected the image, tap the share icon on the watch. This begins the discovery handshake. You'll see available devices listed. Act now so the watch can locate your iPhone and present it as a recipient. After tapping share, scan the AirDrop list and tap your iPhone when it appears. This tells the watch to push the file. On the iPhone, you'll see the standard AirDrop banner. Tap accept. Choose whether to keep or add to photos depending on immediate needs. If the devices don't appear, check that both are signed into iCloud or that contacts only won't block transfer. Switch to everyone temporarily. Once accepted, the transfer proceeds quickly, and you'll see a transfer completion indicator on both devices. Once the iPhone accepts, open Photos to confirm the image saved correctly. If you used an app share, check that app. If nothing arrived, try the fastest fix. Set AirDrop to everyone on both devices and resend. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are toggled off and keep devices close. If problems persist, restart the Apple Watch and iPhone. That clears transient Bluetooth or networking states. These steps resolve most failures and let you retry a clean AirDrop immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.